My name is Abdullah, and welcome to my channel Royal Enfield. Dominance, refined. This is the Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 in Astral Black, with carbon-coated accents. Standing tall in a dark royal showroom. Shown in a clean side profile, long and low, every line speaks of confidence. The bike doesn't move, yet it feels alive. Smoke drifts slowly across the floor, wrapping around the wheels, while the red glow of the headlight cuts through the darkness like a warning. This motorcycle isn't trying to be aggressive. It doesn't need to. Its power comes from presence. From the way the Astral Black paint absorbs the light, from the calm weight of the stance, from the balance between classic design and modern muscle, carbon-coated details add a sharp edge, but the soul remains timeless. Look closely at the silhouette, the stretched cruiser posture, the solid build. This is a machine designed for riders who value control over chaos, confidence over noise. It's not about racing. It's about ruling the road in your own time, on your own terms. In this silent moment, standing still, the Super Meteor 650 feels like it's waiting, not to impress, but to command. A motorcycle that carries heritage, authority, and character in every detail. The Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 doesn't chase trends. It sets a standard. This is not just a cruiser. This is Royal Enfield dominance.